Hey guys, it's Mr. Vance here. We're going to be doing starting to program with Flash this week. Okay, so as usual, we need to create a new ActionScript 3.0 to start off. All right, now once we have that, um, some of you have been like losing your like toolbars and stuff. If you go to Essentials and reset Essentials, that will put all of your toolbar timeline and stuff. Your screen will look just like mine. You'll can follow along a little bit easier this way. Okay, so we're going to be learning how to program like different symbols in Flash so they could actually do stuff. Okay, so you have a little interactivity with it. Remember with the button symbol, you're able to like over and down and click and make things happen. We can do stuff with the movie clip symbols. All right, so what we're going to be making is a snowman, building a snowman. It's a little bit different than the haunted house, but it'll go good. It's an easy thing to do for making this file. It's going to be a drag and drop file. We're going to be actually clicking and dragging and moving the movie clips around the screen. So first thing we want to do is we want to go to our oval tool. Go to the oval tool, find the oval tool. You want to have your stroke color set to black. We want to set our fill color to white. Now where it says style solid, I like to go and change it up to like a ragged style. Maybe make it a little bit thicker. So instead of having it 1.0, pump that up to like 2. Make it a little bit thicker line. Okay, and then if you hold your shift key, it forms kind of a raggedy looking circle. So I'm going to make kind of a large one, a little bit smaller one, and a smaller one even still. Okay, so that's be like the bottom, the middle, and the head of a snowman. Now these aren't symbols yet, so we need to go to our selection tool, black arrow. Now watch what I'm doing. This is going to be careful here. See, I'm just dragging a box. I just want to have a box. Drag that box around just one of the stroke and fills. Okay, so I'm just see how I'm all the way around it. Okay, I'm not just like, if I just click on it, I'm not getting the stroke. I have to go all the way around. Make sure you have your stroke selected too. You see the dots are on the stroke. Okay, now go to modify and convert this to a symbol. Okay, let's name this one bottom. And make sure the type is set to movie clip. Hit OK. Notice it has a blue box around it. It's a symbol. We'll move on to the next one. Drag my arrow key and drag that box around the stroke and the fill. And I just want to have this selected. I don't have that blue, just that center medium-sized circle selected, and modify, convert it to a symbol. We'll name this one middle, and it should still be movie clip. Okay, so I have a symbol here, right? That's not a symbol. So again, I'm going to drag my box carefully around it. You just get it selected. Don't go, if I do this, that's a mistake because I have like 2 of them selected, just the one, right? Modify, convert to symbol. Let's name this one top movie clip. Okay. Now, if I go and test the movie, control test movie, I click on these circles, nothing happens. It's just nothing's happening. All right. Okay. I can actually program these so the viewer can interact with them. So if I click on one of my symbols, and just one, so it's had the blue box around the one, I can't have 2. I can apply some code to it so that when someone clicks on it, things will happen. There is a special panel. It's called code snippets. It's right here. Looks like a piece of paper with some parentheses by it. All right. So click the code snippets. This folders will pop out. And there's a folder called Actions. If you click on that arrow, the caret will drop down, and there's one that says Drag and Drop. So if I double click Drag and Drop, it's going to say instance name movie clip 1. That's fine. Okay, go ahead and hit OK. And then this big box of code is going to pop up. This blue stuff right here, this is the code. Do not click and type anything in this box. The code is set for you. You don't have to change anything. There's a small X. Close it down. Now you will notice this on your timeline, your layers. You have a new layer called Actions that has like a little lowercase a. That means there's some code applied to it. So now when I test my movie, if I click on these circles and drag, nothing happens. This one, I click on it, I can move this circle. When I let go of my mouse, it stays in that spot. Okay, so now if we go to the next one, just click on that one particular symbol. This one's already programmed, this one's not. Code snippets, drag and drop, movie clip 2, okay. I'm not going to change the code. Close that down. And then the final one, code snippets, drag and drop, okay. Okay, so then I'm able to click and move and make a snowman. I can build them up. Now, if you want to get even more in depth, well, make sure you go to this file, save as. Okay, give it a name. Let's name it Snowman. Okay, get it saved in your folder. We can upload it. Now, this is pretty plain snowman, but if you want to get even more detailed, you could add like other features to it. So like I made another symbol here of a hat and a carrot and some eyes. Okay, so test this movie. I can build up a snowman. Okay, I make some eyes. Maybe you want to make some hands for it. Okay, so that's the snowman. So we're going to program a drag and drop game. So you need at the very minimum 3 circles that you're able to drag and drop. Okay, this will be due by Friday. So if you have any questions, email me, let me know. Some of you are falling behind with some other assignments. Let's make sure we get those all turned in. Time is winding down. Okay, email me if you have any questions. Take care.